Hi friends, welcome to Amjad Concepts. In this video, I am going to explain to a new concept, very interesting, that is nothing but logarithms. Listen, if you given like this, if 10 is raised to the power x is equal to 52, then find the value of x. How can you do that? Listen, if you given like this, 10 is raised to the power x that is equal to 52. Then what is the value of x? To find the value of x, very difficult. Okay, so for defining and solving these type of problems, a new scale has to be introduced. New scale has been introduced, that is called logarithms. That is logarithm. Okay, here if you take a and n are positive real numbers, a and n are positive real numbers, and a is not equal to 0, a is not equal to 0, if a power x equal to n, then by implies log, we can write logarithms in short form log. Read as log n base a. You can read as log n base a, base to the a is equal to x. Log n to the base a is equal to x. Listen, here what is base a? Here also base a. These two are just a transform. X replaced by n, n coming to x. Okay, now a power x equal to n. Okay, it can be written in the logarithmic form. Log n base a is equal to x. This is called exponential form. Exponential form. This is logarithmic form. This is logarithmic form. For example, take in numeric 2 power 4 equal to 16. Okay, write in logarithmic form. Given in exponential form, write in logarithmic form. Just write log. Okay, what is base here? 2. Okay, these two transform. 16, here come 4. Log 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. Log 16 to the base 2 equal to 4. Okay. Okay, this is a general method. Here a power x equal to n by implies log n base a equal to x. In vice versa, log n to the base a equal to x, then a power x equal to n. Okay, here coming to discuss about the some properties of the logarithms. We know the laws of exponents. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, and a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. Okay, by this we can write listen, let's take first one. Product rule. Product rule. By exponents, a power x into a power y is equal to a power of x plus y. A power x into a power y equal to a power of x plus y. In logarithm, log x to the base a, okay, log x into y to the base a, log x into y to the base a is equal log x base a plus log y base a. Okay, log x base a plus log y base a, where a is not equal to, a is not equal to 0. Another one is quotient rule. Coming to quotient rule, quotient rule. Here, a power x by a power y is equal to a power of x minus y. Okay, if you write in logarithm form, log x by y base a is equal log x base a minus log y base a. log x base a minus log y base a. And power rule and power rule. We know that a power m whole power n is equal to a power of mn. A power m whole power n equal to a power of mn. In logarithm, log x power m base a is equal to, okay, m come forward, m log x base a. Log x to the power of m to the base a equal to m log x base a, and log x to the base a to the power of n equal, okay, here we have the power for the base, so it could be 1 by n log x to the base a, log x to the base a. By mix of these two, if you given like this, log x to the power of m base a to the power of n is equal m by n log x base a, m by n log x base a. This is the power rule. And multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. Listen. If you given log a to the base b is equal log a to the any base into log, same here should be right here, and base b. These two will be get cancelled. Then log ab. Okay, this is a multiplication rule. And log a to the base a equal to 1, where a not equal to 0, where a not equal to 1 and a greater than 0, and log 1 to the base a equal to 0, log 1 to the base a equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 1, a greater than 0. Okay, and log x base y, if log a base b is equal, if you write in reciprocal, okay, these two are transformed, log y to the base x, and it can be log x base a by log y base a. Okay, these are the properties of logarithms. Now coming to our exercise 1.5 in real numbers, first chapter. Given that, determine the value of the following. First one, log 5 base 25. Exercise 1.5. Given log 5 to the base 25. Okay, listen, in this case we have to equate these two, log value and base of value also. Log 5, this 25 can be written as 5 square. Log 5, okay, this 25 can be written as log 5 square. It is like log x base a to the power of n. Log x base a to the power of n is 1 by n log x base a. 1 by n log x base a. So it can be 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. Okay, 1 by 2. Log 5 base 5 value 1. Okay, log a base a is equal to 1. So log 5 base 5 value 1. 1 by 2 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, given that log 5 to the base 25. 25 can be written as 5 square in terms of 5 square. Okay, log x to the base a to the power of n equal to 1 by n log x base a. 1 by n, what is n here? 2. Log 5 base 5. Log 5 base 5 value. Log a base a equal to 1. So this value is 1. 1 by 2 into 1, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. Take another one. Log 3 to the base is 81. So it can be written as log 3, 81 can be written as in terms of 3 to the power of 4. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. So 3 to the power of 4. It is like log a base b to the power of n. Okay. Here power in to the base na, so it can be 1 by n log a base b. So here 1 by 4 log 3 base 3. If these two values are equal, then its value is 1. So 1 by 4 into 1, that is 1 by 4. Why? Because log a to the base a equal to 1. Log a to the base a equal to 1. Okay. Next. Log 1 by 16 to the base 2. Log 1 by 16 to the base 2. And another one. Log 1 to the base 7. Log 1 to the base 7. And another one. Log root x to the base x. Log root x to the base x. Yeah. Now listen. This log 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 4 to the base 2. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, so 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Okay. It is like 1 by a power m. 1 by a power n means a to the power of minus m. So log 1 by 2 to the power of 4 can be written as 2 to the power of minus 4 to the base 2. Okay. Now it is formula log a to the power of n. Okay. Log a to the power of n base x. So n coming forward, n log a to the base x. So minus 4 log 2 base 2. If these two are equal, then value is 1. Minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. Why? Because log a base a equal to 1. Log a base a equal to 1. Next, log 1 base 7. Okay, already we discussed log 1 for any base equal to 0. Okay, a not equal to 1 and a greater than 0. So log 1 here given 7. So this value is 0. And coming to here, log root x can be written as x power of 1 by 2 base x. Log x to the power of 1 by 2 to the base x. Same it can be, it is formula like log x power n base x equal to. Okay, this n coming forward, n log x base x. If these two are equal, that value is 1. So we can write n. Log, listen, here log value and base value both are equal, then you can directly write this value n. Okay, in this case also, log x to the power of 1 by 2 base x. These two are equal, na? Then what is the value of this total logarithm? 1 by 2. So total you can write 1 by 2. Okay. Okay friends, thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.